guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'll be doing a squishy experiment for you guys, and the squishy that I will use is this My Little Pony and this broken donut, yeah, and this blush bun. This the bag, it's defective. Yeah, even this is defected. See right there. Not this one is not that big, but yeah, it's squishy. And if I do that, it's not squishy anymore. Rest in peace. I'll be really good at you. I'll always play with you. Okay, I got a Ziploc bag. I'll be putting it here for 10 minutes in the fridge. Just good to help. It's kind of oily. Let's put it. Okay, bye-bye. I'll put it already. Alright, I already put it. So, home.
What time did you do that?
Sorry for that. That's my dad. Anyways, so yeah, let's wait for 10 minutes. Let's wait. I'm so scared. 50 seconds. No, 40 seconds. I'm so scared. Six, five, three. I'll just get it, guys. Mind. Okay. I got it. It's cold. Where's one? We'll just dump it on. Where's one is this? Oh! Oh! It got... Can you hear that? It got more kind of slow, I think. What's this? Did you see that how it rises? And the last one is this. Oh my god. I can. So bye guys.